If your game launches faster than easy anti-cheat loads, you're a troubleshooting pro. If not, let's make you one. Grab your mouse. Here's how to get back in the game. First, close your launcher. Think Epic Games Launcher, or any related windows. You don't want anything sneaking in during this fix. Now right-click your game in the launcher, hit Manage, then Open Install Location. It'll take you straight to the game's home base. Next, dive into the Fortnite game folder, then Binaries, then Win64, and find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. You're looking for Easy Anti-Cheat, Chix EOSAL Setup.exe. It's the VIP here. Right-click it and create a shortcut. Then, right-click that shortcut, go to Properties, and at the end of the target box, add a space and type Repair. Click Apply. Finally, double-click your shortcut and say yes to any prompts. Let it work its magic. Once it's done, launch your game and enjoy that sweet, error-free entrance.